Hi, I'm Chris Hagan. I prefer to be called Chris. I am currently living in Pennsylvania. I have lived all around the country. As a kid, was born in Texas, lived in Maine, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Florida, Germany, I think Arizona. So I lived in lots of different parts of the country and even overseas. I always consider the spirituality of my clients when working with them in social work. My current job is in an inpatient adolescent unit as a teacher, and I'm transitioning to the world of social work. And I work with adults for my field work placement. And when I review their psychosocial evaluations, when I'm talking to them about their treatment plan goals and just establishing rapport, I listen for any indication that their faith or spirituality is important to them. And if they indicate that it is, then I integrate it into our talks, possible natural supports for them, because I like to treat people as whole people with spiritual, behavioral, emotional, physical, and social health needs. So I don't isolate the spiritual part. If they bring it up, if it's important to them, then I go there. Just as far as listening to them and asking them, do you have the support of a faith community? Do you, what do you find helpful? Sometimes they'll talk about prayer or other things, meditation that they find helpful, and I just encourage them to continue to pursue that without trying to advise them spiritually. My personal experiences with spirituality are that it is very important to me. That's why I signed up to take this class as an elective. It's important to me to know how to maintain boundaries and professionalism while also integrating people's faith and their beliefs into their treatment if it's something that they want, if it's important to them. And encouraging them, because I have read a lot of studies that show that it's a strong factor. I think our professor used the word protective factor, but, for resilience is what the wording I would normally use. So I'm really looking forward to this class. I'm hoping somehow to fit it all in with my internship and working full time, and I look forward to learning with all of you.